Control Panel is an internal tool that allows users to manage new and existing hotel accounts, monitor hotel lifecycle, manage online marketing initiatives, and reservations handling. The learning objectives of this training video is to give users an orientation on the features and functions, utilization of team-centric modules, and business rules that apply to the control panel. Here are some acronyms that you will hear throughout the video. CP, Control Panel. GP, Gross Profit, the current brand name for the former Market Management team. MM, Market Management, the former name of the Gross Profit Coaching team. SPI, Sales Partner Interface, internal tool used by the local coaches for endorsements and creation of new hotel accounts. DWH, Direct with Hotels, that's us. HE, Hotelier Extranet, extranet used by our hotel partners. This project was designed so that the hoteliers can embrace the tool as their own and be comfortable in using it. HI, Hotel Interface, former name of the Hotelier Extranet. QA, Quality Assurance, process that ensures that procedures meet the standard quality. CTA, Call to Action button, is a button prominently placed on the hotel's website homepage that redirects potential guests to the internet booking engine. PPC, Pay-per-click campaign. This is also called the advertising website we provide our hotel partners. OM, Online Marketing, business unit that creates initiatives and campaigns for our hotel partners. GS, Guest Support, business unit that supports our hotel partners with regards to guest reservation concerns. Let's get started with the modules of the control panel. The first part will focus on the gross profit-centric modules, and the second part will focus on the other business units. In order to get inside the control panel, a pre-assigned username and password which is generated is provided to the user. The link of the control panel is cp.directwithhotels.com. The control panel houses gross profit-centric modules and modules for other business units. Modules under gross profit-centric are Hotel Management, Reports Builder, and Dashboard. The other business units are Online Paid, Guest Support, and Admin.